gentlemen, old guy back again, Randy Cycle, with a 1996 Suzuki Savage LS650. I have the soft spot for older bikes. I mean, this is belt driven. It's a 652cc single cylinder engine. Looks really good for its age. I mean, it really does. This is claiming 30 brake horsepower, like 34 foot-pounds of torque, something like that. I mean, 393 pounds butt weight claimed. So, I mean, super light and really low seat height. So, let's throw a leg over it. And, yeah, this is really low. Really low. Okay, so no power, kind of a feet forward kind of position, kind of a mid feet forward. It's weird. Little baby 652cc. Okay. And it's super small. I don't like the bars that much. I mean, the bars are I'm very compact, very tight. Very vibrational. I mean, it's a big single cylinder engine, so you kind of expect it to be. But still goes down the road. Maybe this is a 5-speed. Yeah, that's 5-speed. Okay, gonna try to get comfortable in a position. The seat is not bad. It's just the rider position, the triangle, is very odd for me. I mean, the way the bars kind of swoop back, you can see my hands are, I kind of would want my hands to be out here more. And, no, not with these bars. It just brings me back to being younger, you know, nostalgia. It's a very easy bike to ride. I mean, it's super easy to ride. This is not a bike you're gonna, you know, light the world on fire with speed by at all, because it's not fast. Handles like shit. It's lightweight, but it's not flickable. It's a fight. Yeah, I feel it. It's a fight to turn it into a corner, and it's the way these bars are. It's just completely uncomfortable for what it is. It's completely uncomfortable. I mean, I'll ride every single bike I can, but like I said, it takes about 5 minutes to know if you're gonna like a bike or not. I don't like this bike. Holy shit. No lie, the back started sliding out. Kind of caught me by surprise. Wasn't expecting it. Welcome to 1996. Look at that speed demon. That's full throttle. Come on. Come on. 70. Come on. Woohoo. 70 miles an hour. Oh yeah. Yeah, there's no speed. Yeah, That's all it's got. And I could not for the life of me find what the MSRP was when this was new. Lost in the annals of history. But I don't think it was going to be very expensive at the time. I'd just hazard a guess at $3 grand, maybe $4, but that's pretty high. Because this is getting to as close to bare bones of a motorcycle as you can get. I don't know what the sales numbers were on this, but to be honest, as I'm riding it, I don't think it probably did very well. Because I'm going to tell you right now, I really don't like this bike. I really don't. I don't like it. It's not comfortable. This is not a comfortable bike. It's different, and like I said, I'll film every bike just to be able to get an impression on it. And this one is like not a great bike. It's cheap as you can get, really. I mean, I'm surprised it has a belt, not a chain. So I mean, that's one thing, but the issue I have with belt drives is you lose about 11% of the power, give or take, from the engine that to the wheel, you know. So a 30 brake horsepower claimed engine, well, you're not getting 30 to the wheel. On a chain drive, you lose roughly 3-4%. On a belt drive, you lose more. On a shaft drive, you lose even more than that. So, I mean, it's a trade-off. I mean, do you want to do maintenance? If you don't want to do maintenance, get a belt drive. But so, let's see if we can do a 0 to 60 and see how long it takes. So, same spot as always. All right. 3, 2, 1. Hit it. Come on. Come on. Come on. There. Yeah, we did. We did get a 0 to 60. Nice. I don't know what that took. It probably was felt like an eternity. I mean, what would I do with a bike like this? Nothing. I mean, nothing. I honestly, I would not buy a bike like this. I would never buy this bike. Just personal preference. But for me, I would never buy it. I mean, it's just not every bike you're gonna like. Not every bike you're gonna enjoy. And this bike does not give me any enjoyment whatsoever. It's not, there's no excitement in this bike. Woohoo, baby. Well, that was interesting. Ferraris, Porsche, Mercedes. Some rich folks out there on their drive. I get it. Well, I don't, because I'm not rich, but one day maybe. Yeah, Suzuki LS650 Savage. I don't know why it's called Savage, because there's nothing savage about this bike. I mean, nothing. Not a very appropriate name. Let's do a U-turn. go, ladies and gentlemen. 1996 Savage LS650. Yeah, no, I would. Doesn't even have a good sound to it. Anyway, it was an interesting thing to try, no doubt about that. And you know, I can't fall off the bike. It is what it is. So, everybody, don't ever buy this bike. Don't ever buy this bike. Alright, everybody, stay safe, and as always, enjoy the ride.